to make this pull-out draw kind of a box, we need 2 sheets of square paper, both of the same size. So first we make the inner box and then we do the outer box. So first a diagonal fold, which is like this, and then a plus fold, which means a half fold horizontally and a half fold vertically. So that gives us a plus. The next step is to bring all 4 corners to the center. So this is the center. All 4 corners to the center. This is a step where it differs with the outer box. So for the inner box, we touch all 4 corners to the center. But for outer box, we leave a distance. We will not be touching the center. We leave a gap from the center on all the 4 sides. So for the inner box, we take it to the center. Once that is done, the next step is to divide this square into 9 equal squares, which means getting 3 vertical sections and 3 horizontal sections. So 3 into 3 becomes 9. To do that, there are 3 methods. One is take a pencil and scale, measure the sides and mark, divide it by 3, mark and make the foldings. The second step is to do an S fold, which is like this. So it is a trial and error method where you make an S fold and then adjust it so that all the 3 sides have equal length, equal measurement. The third is to visually divide it into 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So I do the visual method. It goes like this, from one edge, such that it divides the rest of the sheet in half. So we have a 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So once you get one line, one fold, it is easy to do the others. So just fold from the other end till that line. And when you open, you notice these 2 small triangles folded. So to do it horizontally, just fold it at the point where the triangle meets the line, that intersection point. And finally this side. So if you notice on the other side of the sheet, you will see 9 squares. Now we open out 2 opposite sides, which conveniently I say open the left and right side, and we just recrease the bottom and the top folds so that it helps in our next step. So just recrease that nicely. Next what we do is open these 2 walls, these 2 sides. They're going to be 2 opposite walls of the box. And if you notice on the outside, there is this triangle, which I'm marking in red. There is this triangle, and next to the triangle is a square. This is the square next to the triangle. And if you notice in this square, there is a diagonal fold that goes like this, all the way from here till here. There is a diagonal fold. Now this came from our first plus fold from that step. So what we do is, keeping these 2 walls standing like this, we just fold in this diagonal line. The fold is already there, we just have to fold it inwards like this, making sure it is a 90-degree edge here, and it goes from here till here. The same thing on the other side, the fold line is here, so just help it by pushing it inwards, making sure it is a 90-degree edge, because we don't want rounded edges. So inside, the 2 flaps will coincide, will overlap, then we put this flap over it and to the center like this. Just neaten up the edges. Do the same thing on the other side. So the diagonal fold is here, fold it inside. The same diagonal fold on the other side, fold it in and put this flap over and to the center. Just neaten up the edges, and that is our inner box. Now to make the tab, which is this portion, the pull out part, we take the inner box, open out 1 flap, and instead of folding it at the line, at the edge line, we leave a distance, say a 1 centimeter, and fold it this way. So it is above the edge surface, and on this rectangle that we have now, we fold two 90-degree triangles at the corners. So like this, both inside and outside. So the same triangle we fold it both ways. So once that is nicely creased, when you open it out, you find this triangle kind of a shape crease there. So just gently push it in on both the sides. It gets this tapered end, and this will need to be stuck inside because otherwise this will come out. So we just need to put a drop of little bit of glue there and stick it on the inside. So that is our tag. Even this can be stuck inside if the sides are coming out. They can be stuck inside. And that is how the draw is done. To combine two such boxes, they can either be stuck together one on top like this. The origami method is done without using glue. So we take out the inner drawers, and in both the outer drawers we open one flap. In one, what we do is take out a flap, and instead of folding the two sides inside like this, we fold it outside, and this flap still goes in. So it becomes like this. In the other one, we open out any one flap, and in this space we insert these two pointy edges of the other box. Just insert them nice and tight, and this flap goes back in. So it is nicely held in place. Just neaten it up, and the boxes can go inside, the inner boxes. So this can be arranged horizontally or vertically. This is a slightly thicker paper, so it's a little more smooth.